Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing the MacBook Pro case from Andar. Okay, so before we proceed with the unboxing, if you are new here to my channel and if you are not yet a subscriber, nakikita ko maraming views pero mas marami yung views kaysa sa subscribers. I'm in my 700 subscribers and almost 1,000, so road to 1K na tayo. So please subscribe to my channel, and that's a big help to me. I also do tech photography on my Instagram, so please also follow my Instagram account. So I do tech photography naman there. So for every unboxing or review that we do here on our channel, yung mga tech na yon, pinipicturean ko siya and nilalagay ko doon sa IG. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will be unboxing the MacBook Pro case from Andar. So this is what they call the Helm. So Andar sent out this item for us to unbox here on our channel. But if you know me, and as I've said from my previous videos, even though they sent me these items, it will not affect my impression and anything that I can say about the item. So rest assured that I will be providing my honest impressions and thoughts about the product. Okay, so if you don't know Andar, Andar is a company that focuses on making great leather cases for your Apple devices. So they have cases for the iPhones, the AirPods, and this one, the laptop case. And they also have other items like leather wallets. If you want to know more about Andar, I will provide the link down below. So check it out. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing. They also provided the leather cream. So as time goes by, as meron ng mga smudges or patina with the case, you can use this leather cream to clean out your leather case. So good thing meron silang ganito. Pero this is a separate buy and sinama ko na lang din para sayang din yung shipping fee, and at the same time kailangan din naman siya. If you are new to leather cases, so this is a good buy kasi di mo alam kailan mo siya kailangan gamitin, and at least pag kailangan mo na siya, at least meron ka na. And baka most of you isipin masyadong high maintenance ng leather. Actually hindi. Ito lang yung ginagamit para mas ma-prolong pa yung paggamit natin ng case. And yun nga, compared to plastic or silicone case, I still really prefer the leather cases. Okay, so looking at the Helm case from Andar, it says from their website that the type of leather that was used here is a vegan leather. And looking at this one, it's a premium type of leather, as you can feel it when you touch it, and also as you can smell. So, sa amoy pa lang, alam mong premium leather siya and alam mong genuine leather siya. And it really fits my MacBook Pro very tightly. Not too tight na baka magasgasan yung laptop, but sobrang snug fit niya for this for the MacBook Pro 16 inches. And actually matagal na rin akong naghahanap ng case and nahirapan ako kung anong type of case ba, if leather, acrylic, or silicone. Parang pag leather kasi sobrang versatile niya. Pwede siyang pang office, mukha siyang corporate, and pwede rin naman siyang casual and mukha siyang vintage casual. As I can see, meron dito yung mga magnets or parang clip na kinakabit dun sa laptop para mas snug fit siya. Sa una natakot ako kasi meron siyang part na isa-snap mo siya sa may screen. And akala ko pagka sinara yung screen or binaba yung laptop, tatama siya dun sa screen, and I think delikado siya kasi baka magasgas yung screen or mag-crack. Pero looking at it, parang sobrang sakto niya. Pag sinara mo na yung laptop mo, hindi tumatama yung parang clip-on niya dun sa screen. So sobrang galing. So sobrang sakto nung measurement nila. And then, good thing about this, meron siya sa ilalim, meron na siyang rubber feet. Hindi naman siya rubber. So, pinattern nila yung parang feet ni MacBook Pro. And different color lang siya pero leather din. Pero I like it kasi ito yung mas tumatama sa desk, so ito yung dumudumi. And ang good thing about this is color black na siya. And then, one thing to note na okay din dito is meron siyang vents. So, on this side, left and right, meron siyang 2 vents for airflow. And then, on the back, sobrang open niya. So, rest assured na yung airflow ng case na to is very good kasi hindi niya mahihinder yung airflow for the MacBook. So, okay yon. And then, yung cutout niya is for the ports lang. So, if you are using this type of hub, hindi na siya pwede. Kasi pag kinabit mo, tatama na siya dun sa leather case. So I suggest you take that into consideration if you are using this type of hub. But there are other hubs out there na ganito. Meron siyang wire. Dito yung ports. So, perfect siya for this kind of case kasi ito lang yung ikakabit mo sa port and hindi na siya tatama dun sa case kasi wired siya. Please take note of that. Okay, so those are the good things that I noticed, and meron akong isang ino-note lang na napansin kong hindi okay with this one. Meron sa part ng yung may clip, meron parang yung leather niya hindi masyadong clean or hindi masyadong malinis yung pagkakakat kasi meron siyang mga parang tas-tas kung parang ganon. And dun sa napapansin ko kasi sa iba, yung snap part niya malinis eh. And then dito lang talaga, dalawang side yung parang natatastas. So I'm not sure if that's really the case, pero yon, take note of that. Pero the other parts naman ng snap-on, hindi naman siya parang tastas and okay yung quality niya. So dun lang sa part na yun. So yun lang yung mapapansin kong cons about this case, yung sa tastas, and at the same time yung ports. So very limited na yung hub na pwede mong gamitin. But ano naman, that's the norm naman if you are using a case for your laptop. Also this one, the Helm, meron siyang ibang colors. So, apart dito sa brown, meron pang black and navy blue. Kinuha ko yung brown kasi gusto ko yung patina effect ng brown. And as time goes by, mas gaganda pa siya. And at the same time, dahil brown siya, bagay siya sa desk ko habang naka-display. So, naka-clamshell mode ako. Pasok yung color theme niya sa desk ko. Though, pwede rin yung black. Maganda rin yung feeling ko. But, ayun, I opted na to get the brown one for the patina effect in the long run. Okay, so a huge thanks to Andar for sending this one for us to review and unbox here on our channel. So if you don't know Andar, I'll provide a link down below so you could check them out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.